Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange to Office 365 Public Folder Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Exchange Migration software lets you easily perform Exchange to Office 365 public folder migration. Designed for simplicity and control, the application ensures data integrity by maintaining folder hierarchy, permissions, and metadata throughout the process. With support for SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and MFA, and compliance with ISO, GDPR, and HIPAA, EdbMails ensures secure, compliant data transfer. Let's walk through how to migrate public folders to Office 365 using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Live Exchange Migration. Select Live Exchange to Office 365 Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the source Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the public folders. Click Next to continue. Expand the public folder. Select the folders that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the public folders. Click Next to continue. EdbMails automatically maps public folders between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it for effortless Exchange public folder to Office 365 migration. Visit edbmails.com today.